First thing in the morning, I'm gonna watch a little bit of this because gotta get it out of the way. It's the next one on our list in the Disney cartoon, so we'll just like let it play in the background while we're getting ready to go to Animal Kingdom. It's fun to come here later in the day and just see a huge massive like exodus of people from the Animal Kingdom. Last time we were here it made a noise. Let's see if it does it again.
Did it do it?
No? No noise. I'm a big pig, you can be a big pig too. Oi. So I should say this, if you're at Animal Kingdom, take the time to talk to the people that work here because, I mean, we had a bad experience on the way in with the tram where Scott was not very nice to us, but it was just like, as soon as you get inside you start talking to somebody else about the animals and they're like, they know a lot about them and they want to tell you. And it's fun, it's nice.
I think that's one of the reasons why we come to Animal Kingdom though, is because it's not only really fun, but it's educational, and the people that work here really love it.
Those are some big old fish in these otter tanks. I think the otters are way yonder, like hanging out. Look guys, a cotton pot Cameron. Yeah. It's like a little baby. Look at all the detail work in this door right here. This is leading into Africa in Animal Kingdom. See, you can tell by the giant word Africa. We're heading to Dawa Bar at the Tusker House. I know we're heading in the right direction because you can just like hear a party happening over here. By the way, there is still a lot of people here.
These are our first drinks at Animal Kingdom. They don't actually make the Bloody Mary that I wanted anymore, so I'm kind of sad about that.
Well, we tried to use Apple Pay, it didn't work. So, yay. Yeah, we tried it twice, didn't go through ever. It kept saying it was done on the phone, but it didn't show up over there at his little computer. So I don't know what was going on, but I called my credit card company and they're like, no, we didn't charge anything, so it just doesn't work. We're going into Festival of the Lion King, and this is an official Harambe Heritage Site. That's fun. Oh, I don't know, it might be. It's true. There's a lot of fun stuff here. Oh yeah, look at that. We're a little bit confused right now because there's like all these spaces that are filled and there's all these empty seats, and I think there's still a line outside, so I think we're gonna get bombarded by people now, but I think these were all Fast Pass people, which is kind of ridiculous to have this many Fast Passes. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh no, it was. Like this is like regular line people coming in now. Wow. It's gonna get busy.
Flash photography and videotaping are allowed during the show.
Flash photography?
However, for the safety of our performers, we ask that you turn off any lights on your video camera.
What?
We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think?
I mean, I guess so.
And next, we have Nakawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
And this is Kibibi,
which means impatient.
It means princess.
Yes. And finally, we have Zawadi,
which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift?
The gift. And if you'd like to stay good looking, you best back up off that attitude, mister. Besides, this gentleman over here thinks I'm the gift, don't you, honey?
Yeah, he does.
What is your name?
Travis.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
I just can't wait to be king.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timo is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Get ready, warthogs. It's your turn. Let's get to snorkeling. 1, 2, 3.
Warthogs!
All right, my elements, here's your chance. On the count of 3, let's hear some packet of power. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section? Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
They're still letting people in and people are just like standing. That stinks.
Hakuna Matata! What's monkeys doing? Put me down. Bad monkeys. Bad monkeys. Well, this stinks.
Sorry.
No, not you, Pumbaa. These monkeys, they're ruining my big number.
But they're so cute.
Cute. Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other.
Or dirt. Hakuna Matata.
That's our motto.
What's a motto?
I don't know. What's the motto with you?
But thick as you are, pay attention! My words are a matter of pride. Screen the air from your vacant expressions. The lights will not roll upstairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can't be caught unaware.
Oh, yeah, let the stage on fire.
Be prepared for an earthiest scare. And ambitions are paired. Be prepared. Love is where we are. Exist in balance. It is then we are all connected in the great circle, the circle of life.
There's more to see than can ever be seen, or to do than can ever be done. The circle of life, and it moves us all in the circle of
In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
They have like musical instruments too.
Hakuna Matata. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait just to be king. To be king.
In that circle, yes, the circle, yes, the circle of life, circle of
It's ridiculous the amount of people they fit inside this theater. People were standing. Like not everybody had a seat. We just got out of Lion King and we ran into
This guy. What? Cricket Disney is here.
Can you believe it? At Dollar? Unbelievable.
It's so crazy. Well, Merry Christmas to us, right? This is the first time we've ever met him.
Yeah.
So cheers.
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 I didn't get on that cheers.
Oh
I
wait,
feel bad.
but we're gonna do a real cheers once we get him away from this Bud Light. Then we'll do a real cheers.
Yeah, right?
At Dawa Bar, they have this photo album, and it's just pictures of like the regulars and some of the employees and just awesome pictures of animals, and this is so cool. You know what's really funny? I would have had no idea that this was even here if Drunk.
I know that guy.
Yeah.
I know that guy.
Oh, look.
I know that guy. Aaron, if you're watching, I see you, Aaron. I know that guy.
That's so cool. Let's.
Oh, wait.
Wait, what?
Wait, I know that guy.
Yeah, that's a meerkat.
Oh yeah, totally.
Still some Christmas decorations here at Disney Outfitters. I feel like they're like understated at Animal Kingdom. Drunk at Disney is apparently a Animal Kingdom guru. There used to be a wall right next to Flame Tree, and this little coffee window thing here wasn't there, but now it's there. So you can come here and get some coffee.
Probably a Danish, possibly.
Maybe a Danish.
Maybe a Danish.
Maybe a Norwegian.
Possibly. There it is.
You can get a cotton top tamarind. We saw one of those earlier.
Oh, we did
And
see
a
one
Danish.
of those.
And a Danish.
$3.29.
As advertised.
It's part of the dining.
It's part of the dining plan too. Everything is except for a double cappuccino. They don't want you
the
too
dining plan.
caffeinated.
Don't you dare request a double cappuccino.
Or the
You will be shut down, my friend.
Island
Denied.
cappuccino, white chocolate, Captain
Hi, I'm on
Morgan.
the dining plan, and I'd like a double cappuccino. No.
Too bad. What do you guys think that they're building out there in the middle of the water?
Something related to the light show,
But there's gonna be a light
what
show?
anything is going to be. Yes, night show.
Oh,
Night light, rivers of light.
wow.
Yeah.
That sounds awesome. It's a wealth of knowledge right here.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have an idea for a later date, not today, but for a later date, we want to do something really cool, really fun, really informative,
Really?
including this guy.
Really?
Not, I mean, some other guys too, but especially this one right here. Would you guys want to watch that?
He's like,
leaving.
he's like, bye.
Sounds shady. Sounds shady.
Dino Bones Abacus,
This is an abacus.
right there.
Yeah, look.
What's the answer now?
Bones have you found?
Yeah.
5. The answer is 5.
Interns are digging for bones here,
The interns are digging for bones. Okay.
and they probably will keep track right here. In fact, if you're curious, the head of research at Dino Institute's available. Man, that's pretty good. It's a nice job.
I kind of wish they had included her zip code though, because now we can't call her.
That
Her
probably
name is
pays at
Dinosaur.
least 20 to 25,000 a year.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, you gotta.
By the way, Dinosaur is the best name ever.
Her name is Dinosaur.
All right, sorry. It should have been Dinah. Check out these Christmas decorations in Dino Land. Just 2 trees and a couple of garland. Goofy and Pluto. Santa Goofy. It's actually a Christmas tree, but it's still a snowman. Kind of awesome. What are we looking at?
There's a hidden Mickey in here.
A hidden Mickey.
Pin that goes on your name tag. Their name tag. See the blue like cog?
Yeah.
That blue cog. Go down about 2 things. You can see like the gold. It's like a bronze Mickey.
Yeah, it's
thing.
right there. It's Steamboat Willie looking.
Steamboat Willie thing.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
it. Yeah,
yeah.
that's it right there.
Very cool.
Yeah. Every cast member gets that at their 1st year anniversary.
Okay.
All right, literally every time we've come here, we've tried to ride Dinosaur. Let's ride it now. Hopefully it doesn't get shut down right as soon as we walk up to it like it has the last 3 times. Dinosaur Zoo, by the way. Largest T-Rex fossil available. I feel like I have to like come up with some sort of like crazy
Well, wait. But
trivia.
Why? Yeah, because Drunk at Disney had all the trivia.
Right.
But why is that outside?
Well, because it's not a real fossil. The real fossil is at
The Smithsonian.
no, it's not at Smithsonian. It's somewhere else that was actually really funny because I wish I knew the name of the museum, but they didn't have enough money to buy it because it was found on Indian property, like Native American property. But
Does it
they're
cost
like,
more to get it from an Indian burial?
well, no, because they wanted to sell it for more to because they owned it because it was on their property. And then the museum didn't have enough money, and so McDonald's and Disney stepped in to help them pay for it. So, quick question for you guys. Carnotaurus, right? Is that a real dinosaur? Is that a real dinosaur? Because I don't know, because they might have made it up. You never know. Kind of want to push this red button. It's calling my name.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute.
You're Claire
and
Huxtable. Man, oh man, I love that ride. It was awesome. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. You can't even tell what it is. Nobody knows. It's still, you gotta pull it down further. Way down. There you go. That's perfect. That's the way it should be. We came inside of, what restaurant is this? Someplace.
It's
I'll tell you.
Restaurantosaurus.
Restaurantosaurus, and this is where the interns stay. That's where they sleep, up there.
Huh.
That's where we just were. It was inside the Restaurantosaurus. Right there. There it is, right there. Restaurantosaurus. Somebody drew a Donald.
The restaurant.
in the water. We've never been to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Is that where we're at right now? So we're here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're going into Jumbo House. No idea where we are on property, but we're here. I like that their automatic doors aren't just like glass. They're like actual doors. Oh. Wow. That was a big old tree. This place is pretty dang awesome. I'd like to try to get up to the top floor on this one too. I always try.
This is our chocolate table.
Okay.
But this is our gingerbread house.
It's very
Gotcha.
nice.
Okay.
And look at this thing. I don't know what this is, but it's neat looking. Look at this shot of the tree. It's pretty dang grand in here. We came right out the back of the lobby here. I don't know, maybe this is a fire pit at night, maybe? That makes sense. A lot of rocking chairs and stuff. And then there's animals out here. Like you could stay there and then look out and see like, I don't know, these little deer and stuff here. There's a giraffe right over there.
Oh yeah.
They're like roasting marshmallows and everything over here. Over the little fire pit. This is kind of awesome. Wow. There's a closer shot of them. And there's some zebra and maybe wildebeest over here. Look how crazy this is. Like just imagine you could stay in one of these right here that overlooks this. Like this guy hanging out. And the giraffes. He's kind of hard to see, but he's back there. There you go. This giraffe's a little bit easier to see. He's kind of hanging out. Everybody's all hanging out together. Thompson's, gazelles, everything. I have to admit, I would love to come out here in the morning and have like a cup of coffee and look out at the wildebeest and that one donkey. Just one random donkey hanging out. Is it not a donkey? Watch it not be a donkey. Some sort of like exotic animal. The only problem that I can see with this spot drinking a cup of coffee is somebody has a room right there. I know it kind of stinks because it's through the grating, but it's quite a view from up here. All right, we tried to get up to that level, but we got locked out. But here's this level. It's kind of awesome up here. I'd like to get up to that other level. There's like stuff going on up there. They're watching like a Goofy cartoon down there. I want to get up to that top level up there, Jen, but there's a security guard right there, like patrolling the deck. Uh-oh. Should we still try?
No.
I feel kind of defeated that I'm not over top of this tree right now. This is a 6-story tall tree. 60 feet right there. There's a little Christmas tree outside of Boma, which this is Boma, by the way. It's like a buffet style for like 38 bucks. Not gonna do it. Stopped off at Victoria Falls, which is just the bar outside of Boma, which is down there, here in Animal Kingdom Lodge. Breads and spreads. Well, that was pretty fun. Time to head home now. I wish we could stay here. That would be awesome. All right, this is gonna be our drive home, apparently. Literally just getting on the highway from Disney. Haven't even made it onto the highway, actually. We're just like still on the on-ramp. So I'm just gonna document this right now. It's 7:08 as we're getting on the highway. Let's see how long it takes us to get home. Actually, all in all, that's not bad. About an hour at home. Finally back home. It was a wonderful day at Animal Kingdom and Animal Kingdom Lodge. I would totally stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It was cool. It was a very nice hotel. But, staying here tonight. So, I gotta go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Now it's time to pay the price.